Hi folks, I hope I can take a couple of minutes of your time and show you around this lovely Citroen Berlingo van we have in stock. 2014 64 registration, as you can see. Covered just 81,000 miles. We sold this van 7 or 8 years ago, and this is it now, just been part exchanged back into us. Lovely example, supplied with a full year's MOT, just been through the workshops and had extensive servicing, including new cam belt kit, new clutch, new brakes, to name but a few of the things. It really is a cracking example, as I'm sure you can see here. There'll be a selection of photographs to accompany this video on our website. It's the LX model, so benefits from the all-important folding dual passenger seat, which really are a big bonus on these little vans for allowing the longer lengths to be loaded in. As I say, a selection of photographs on the website as well will show you with the seats folded down. I'm sure you can see here, it really is a terrific little van in first class condition. As I say, supplied with a 1-year MOT and a full extensive service, and has covered 81,198 miles. A lovely example. A selection of photographs to view as well on our website, vansalescotland.co.uk. Thanks for watching.